She can heal us when we're sick. She has the power to give us energy and the power to make us smile. Long ago, before the first human was born, before the first tree began reaching for the sun, her life began. She breathes and grows. Her blood rushes through her veins. She can speak her mind. And she can feel pain. She can feed us when we're hungry. She's not a thing. She's the earth. And there's a reason we call her mother. Every day, 19 more of the Earth species disappear. Forever. But there is hope. With your help, whales have begun to return. The bald eagle is off the endangered list. And 1 million acres of rainforest were protected forever. We only have one planet. We only get one chance. Our mother needs our help. Do something. Anything.